I have already uploaded my design into Cricut Design Space. Now remember, this is mirrored, so it's gonna look a little funky. And we're going to center that onto our ornament now. Peel back the transfer tape. Okay, and then when I turn it over, look, it says joy to the world. For each ornament, we need about 10 milliliters of resin. And we are going to add some red glitter to our resin. So we want to turn it over because we want to add that to the back. And then I can pour that glitter onto the back. Now that we have that UV resin all the way around the ornament, we are going to bring in our UV nail light. So I'm going to push that in and I'm going to hit 90 seconds. You want to cure anywhere between 2 to 4 minutes. And there is our cute Holiday Wishes handmade ornament.